Hey there, it's Laura with Mom Envy. Today we are going to be making turkey dinner cookie sets. First, you're going to add 2 to 3 cookies. I made sugar cookies, but you could also do gingerbread cookies. Next, you're going to add green and orange candy that will appear to be peas and carrots. Then you're going to take an ice cream scoop and you're going to scoop a large scoop of frosting. I used buttercream that I made from scratch. Then you're going to use the bottom of a spoon to create a divot in the frosting. You're just going to kind of have to go around just to make it deep enough so that way when you go to put in the fake gravy, it won't overflow completely everywhere. So now you're going to squeeze on the caramel to be the gravy. You're going to squeeze it into the hole and then just slightly around the edges. When my hand moves, you can see. And then you're going to add on your fake slab of butter. I used white chocolate that I cut out. And that's it. Add a lid and you've got this adorable turkey dinner set.